Welcome back, car fans. We are here with exclusive information regarding rumors of the return of the fully electric Chevy Camaro, but the appearance of the Camaro EV is still a big debate among GM officials. But behind it all, we try to summarize all the news we get. Get ready for a journey full of interesting details, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates on all things automotive. When Chevrolet announced the 6th generation Camaro would be retired at the end of the 2024 model year, officials insisted the car would eventually return. Specifically, they told us, while there is no replacement, this is not the end of the Camaro story. As the final Camaro rolls off the assembly line in December, anticipation is building for the iconic car's next chapter. GM President Mark Roos has hinted at a significant shift, expressing a desire to return to its roots by making the Camaro an affordable vehicle with widespread appeal. He suggested that the Camaro could re-emerge as an electric vehicle EV with a base price comparable to the Equinox EV. The Equinox EV is priced at $34,995, which would make the new Camaro EV more expensive than its current gas-powered version, which starts at $30,900. However, it's possible the new Camaro EV could be eligible for a $7,500 tax credit, potentially reducing its cost to around $27,495. Details about the next-generation Camaro remain scarce. According to reports, GM has not yet decided whether the new Camaro will be a car or a crossover. Even if it remains a car, it's unlikely to return as a coupe, given the decline in popularity of that segment. Stay tuned for more updates on the Chevy Camaro EV and other exciting developments in the automotive world. Don't miss out on the latest news about innovative models and industry trends.